In the heart of Western Europe lies a country known for beauty, history, culture, and timeless elegance, France. From romantic city streets and historic architecture to peaceful countryside villages and breathtaking coastlines, France offers a journey unlike anywhere else in the world. Every corner of the country tells a different story. At the center of it all stands Paris, the city of light. A city where history and modern life exist side by side. The streets are filled with charming cafes, elegant buildings, artistic culture, and world-famous landmarks that have inspired millions of people across generations. As the Eiffel Tower rises above the skyline and the Seine River flows quietly through the city, Paris becomes more than a destination. It becomes an experience. Whether walking through quiet streets at sunrise or watching the city glow at night, Paris carries a timeless atmosphere that never fades. French culture is built around enjoying life slowly and meaningfully. People gather at cafes, share conversations over coffee, enjoy fresh food, and appreciate simple everyday moments. Across the country, there is a deep connection to art, fashion, music, and cuisine. From fresh pastries in local bakeries to lively street markets and elegant restaurants, France turns ordinary moments into unforgettable experiences. France is also a country shaped by centuries of history. Ancient castles, cathedrals, museums, and monuments stand proudly across cities and villages, preserving stories from the past. Every building, every street, and every stone carries a sense of heritage and identity. From grand palaces to quiet historic towns, France blends tradition and beauty in a way few places can. Beyond the busy cities lies another side of France, peaceful, natural, and endlessly scenic. Rolling vineyards stretch across the countryside, while quiet villages sit between hills, rivers, and fields of flowers. During spring and summer, the landscapes become colorful and vibrant. Lavender fields bloom across the countryside, creating scenes filled with color and calmness. In autumn, vineyards glow with golden shades as the countryside slows into a peaceful rhythm. France is home to some of Europe's most stunning natural landscapes. The French Alps rise high above valleys and lakes, offering dramatic mountain scenery in every season. Snow-covered peaks, winding roads, and peaceful forests create moments that feel cinematic and unforgettable. Traveling through France by train or road reveals changing landscapes filled with beauty at every turn. Along the coastline, France reveals another kind of charm. From peaceful beaches to colorful seaside towns, the coastal regions combine relaxation with natural beauty. Boats move gently across blue waters, while sunsets paint the sky with warm colors. Whether beside the Mediterranean Sea or the Atlantic coast, the atmosphere feels calm, elegant, and alive. France continues to influence the world through fashion, art, cuisine, architecture, and innovation. Despite its deep connection to history and tradition, the country remains modern, creative, and globally admired. It is a place where culture is not only preserved, it is lived every single day. As this journey through France comes to an end, one feeling remains above all else: inspiration. France is more than beautiful landscapes and famous landmarks. It is a country filled with emotion, creativity, elegance, and unforgettable experiences. A place where history meets modern life, where every street holds a story, and where beauty can be found in even the simplest moments. This is France, timeless, romantic, and truly unforgettable.